After the 90-day emergency period declared by Governor Aregbesola, environmental consciousness of the people noticeably improved as they expressed compliance with specific sanitation periods, especially the fortnight editions when human and vehicular movement are restricted.
This is actually very, very impressive. See, everybody has come out to do his own bit of the job, and if we can continue like this, if we imbibe this consciousness, definitely we are going to be better for it.
It's a clue to our problems of illness and sicknesses in our midst. At least it takes care or prevents what can come as epidemics. So it's very jolly. It's good.
No wá dùn púpọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run bá mi tún Ọ̀ṣun rọ bí arúnrọ̀ agogo pé Ọlọ́run bá mi gbé ìjọba gidi wá fún wa nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun tó jẹ́ ká mọ̀ tí ò jẹ́ ajẹ́ kọ́lẹ́rà tí ò jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ó máa jọ pé ní gbogbo gbà láàmú àpò yìí torí gbogbo àìsàn tí ń bẹ ńlẹ̀ ní gbogbo tá à ń kó dànù yìí.
However, some intractable elements still flout the new social order relating to their environment in the state. Hands of the law is always quick to catch up with them.
Put your things down.
Really, we are from the state. We don't know environmental goes on here in Osun State. So, unfortunately, we got here, so we are asked to wait.
When have you been here now?
Since 7 o'clock.
Okay. Where are you heading to?
Ejigo.
We come from Church Mountain, so we were now stopped because of the environmental sanitation.
It's highly positive. It's very, very encouraging because people are already bought into the program and they come out massively to participate. I'm really, really impressed.
There will be sanctions. I hope we all know this. And you will all agree with me before we can appreciate any meaningful development, no matter how much you want to beautify the environment, you can't do it in a filthy environment.
And indeed, sanctions were effectively implemented through strict and consistent monitoring and enforcement conducted by special officials saddled with the task. Prince Fatusi Abiodun is the head of the monitoring and enforcement team spread across the state.
The government says whoever divides the sanitation law should be punished either through the mobile court or through fine. So we discovered that most houses we are fining them, and we will give them to go to the bank and go and pay all this money. But we discovered that we still have some stubborn ones among us. But how do we do it? Is through sensitization and a proper measure. That's the best way we think we can support the government policy, and we too affect our people in the state. So that's what we are doing.
In addition to ensuring that residents across the state take part in sanitation exercise schedules at motor parks, markets, as well as private and public offices, the enforcement team also ensures that basic health-related facilities are provided by house owners and tenants.
Gbogbo gbàdúrà la kékeré náà ó lọ máa ṣe tọ̀dọ̀ tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ̀gbẹ́ bí ní ká mójútó nǹkan lè ṣe ìtura sọ́gbà náà pé ṣé wọ́n tó kọ́ ní wọn ògùn nígbà tí kékeré ṣe báyìí.
Ilé ìgbẹ́ yín kọ́ sà sọ́kàwé rẹ̀ ń kọ́ sà.
This Thursday, ẹ máa wá sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù yín ìfọwọ́ sanitation náà ni ẹ máa wá ẹ̀tọ́ àyíká yín ṣe ẹ̀ ní sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀ ní pàtẹ́ lákòókò ìgbà yẹn ọ̀ǹtì tí aago mẹ́wàá bá tó lù kí ẹ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ta ọjà yín. A ò ní àpẹ kí ẹ jókòó sílé o láti máa wo tẹlifíṣàn tàbí DSTV. A ò pẹ́ kí ẹ jókòó sílé.
Over 1,000 houses cutting across more than 20 local government areas have been inspected in this regard, though with some accompanied drama as these.
What happened? I identify myself to them that I'm a police inspector.
You are police.
Yes, that I work with
You work with
yes, but we are seeing you people for the first time. We are seeing you people. You have not been.
You see, for the first time, you are working with the Lagos State Assembly.
For the first time. We don't know you. You have never come here. You have never.
You don't know them. You don't see this thing. You don't see this thing.
The Osun State Environmental Enforcement Team are not deterred by such drama.
Yes.
Identified culprits are made to face the music promptly through mobile courts that adjudicate on such matter. Offenders are fined, while some houses and shops are locked up to ensure compliance.
ṣe rí gbogbo wọn tá a kẹ́rù wọn lónìí ẹ bá kó ọlẹ́tùkù pé nígbà tí wọn ò máa ta tí wọn máa tó ṣeé ṣe ẹjọ́ ẹ fi pọn wọn létí torí ìgbọ́ mi-ín.
alétí lápá òun ni àwọn èèyàn wa wọn ò kì í gbọ́ràn gbogbo wọn táwà lórí ìdúró yìí náà lè jẹ́ èmi lẹ́rìí sí i kò sígbà tá a wọlé wá síbi tó ṣe wípé kì í ṣe bí ìjà bí ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan là ń bá kúrò lẹ́yìn láàrin wọn.
Records of success will, however, be incomplete without the mention of support provided by such volunteer groups like Market Women Association, Road Transport Union, and some passionate public individuals who volunteer to assist the enforcement team.
Around 5 a.m. we see the forces of the water, and the erosion are coming heavily. I wake up all my children and my wife. I told them, okay, the problem started here. Within 2 or 3 minutes, we don't carry our property away.
The water was so much, so we had to disperse the crowd, and at the same time we are controlling the traffic.